How to use the Nova AI app in your mobile device. So first of all, go ahead and download the app itself, of course. Navigate yourself to your Play Store and search for the Nova AI. So it's gonna look something like this. Just go ahead and press on install. Once you do that, just go ahead and wait for the app to install, and once it does, just go ahead and open. It's a pretty simple app to use, so it's very user friendly. You can go ahead and explore the app itself, but once you're in the app, it's gonna show you a few details like features and pretty much what the app does. It can create images with AI, chatbots for different needs, get help with writing tasks, and more stuff. Go ahead and press on continue. So one of the first thing you will see is a 3-day free trial they will offer to you. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and press on try for free over here. You can put in your payment method, and you can also go ahead and cancel the trial before it does charge you. So depends on you if you want to try extra features, but if you don't, there's the next button here in the top left you can go ahead and press, which should just bring you directly to your dashboard. If you'd like, you can also allow the permissions that they ask for, but that's pretty much depending on your preferences. So right here in your dashboard, you will see multiple features and tools already. So first of all, the main AI over here, you can go ahead and ask a question. So ask whatever you want and they will answer to their own power. You have the chats here in the middle option. You can take a look at your bots. You can also add more if you'd like, which is all found in the AI store. So there's official models, so you can take a look at all of them if you'd like. There's also going to be popular bots. So these are basically chats or bots you can talk to, depending on what you'd like. Let's say a lawyer, so best legal advice available in the world. You can go ahead and choose the lawyer if you'd like. You also have a personal trainer, a doctor, a writer, and depends on you. Recents as well, basically the bots that were recently used. Education bots, this will help you with, of course, education. Smart experts, you can take a look at them. Utility, so it could help you with stuff you're working on, writing, health, and much more. Just go ahead and explore the AI bots. In the bottom right, you also have an inbox to pretty much be able to see the conversations you had with your chat bots. Let's say you're talking to a lawyer over here, you say hello. So it should just be on the bottom right corner of your dashboard. So another is here in the top right, which is basically your profile. You can go ahead and create your own account or sign in. Pretty much depends if you already have an account, of course. You can change your app language. You have the settings. You have the voice, the speech rates. Let's go back there actually. There's help. You can restore your purchases. You can see your user ID, redeem codes as well. Maybe you were participative in their officials. You can see redeem codes that they release. You can go ahead and put that there, and basically just other features you can go ahead and explore. So the app itself is very user friendly, so you can just go ahead and try exploring the app yourself. So as you continue using Nova, you can refine answers by asking follow-up questions, request rewrites, those kinds of stuff. But that's pretty much how you use the Nova AI app. Usually most of the features are locked behind a paywall, so if you'd like, you can always go ahead and try the free trial to see if it is worth it. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.